studio vlog. I've been really trying to brainstorm how to spice up my channel, bring you guys some new, different content than what I normally do. And I've been following a lot of small business owners, obviously on TikTok for years, but I just started following more on YouTube. And they do these things called studio vlogs where they show basically a day. It's kind of like a vlog. Sometimes they have no talking. It's just like ASMR of them working in their warehouses, in their offices, in their small business studios. I don't have a warehouse yet. I don't have an office, but I do have a studio apartment. As for now, my studio vlogs are going to be working and running my small business from my studio apartment. But I'm still excited to do this kind of video, and if you like it, share it, subscribe if you're new here. In this studio vlog, we are going to be packing all of my Black Friday orders. If you didn't know, I did an early Black Friday sale to get rid of all of my current workbook inventory. We are having a huge clearance sale, like 50% off the Dream Achieve workbooks, which is our best-selling product. I have mine right here, my planner. I want to be really transparent with you guys and share like the sales and the orders and stuff, because yesterday we had almost $700 in sales and 21 orders. About 30 books sold just yesterday, and the sale's happening all week, obviously, for an early Black Friday. So there is going to be some different aspects to this video. I know some studio vlogs, they do ASMR packaging, which is what I'm going to do because that does really well for me on TikTok. Or if you guys don't like the ASMR packaging, I can do more of like with music sped up. I don't know, we'll kind of see what happens, but yeah, I'm really excited for this new type of video on my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So the first thing I do in packaging orders is I have to purchase all the postage and make sure that everything is right there, like the weight of the package matches how much it costs and all of this. So I use ShipStation, which is just a shipping software that connects with Shopify. So I go through here and I apply different presets. So like she ordered the tote. So I apply the tote presets, and then it tells me how much it's gonna cost and how many days till it arrives. One workbook from my apartment, and that's the cost of the postage. The customer did pay for some of this, and then I cover the rest of the cost of shipping, and it's gonna get to her in 3 days. She ordered a journal and a workbook, so here it already updated the weight of the package, and then I have to come in and do a little bit more work here. It's going to Belgium, so it is going to be a little bit, it's going to be very expensive, as you can see, and we have to find whichever international shipping rate is going to be the lowest. And for international shipments, I have to set up a customs form, so we'll come back to this one. Now we're gonna go down to Liz. And then it's usually pretty easy when I know what they ordered. And I'm going to print the labels. I say the shipping date that they're gonna happen on, which is today the 7th. Continue, and then it purchase it, and then I press print labels, and obviously I won't show their addresses, but then I'm able to print the labels and continue with the shipping. So let's continue. So what I like to do when I have more than just a handful of orders at a time to package is I lay them all out on my floor, and then I one by one will fill them like row by row And it just helps me keep everything together. And this isn't even all of them. This is just gonna be the first batch. And this is how much I owe in postage. As I said, it can get pretty expensive, but I'm so excited to ship out all of these orders. So I have 3 books left, so that means somewhere in here I actually did miss someone, probably got 2 of each. So I gotta go back through and see which one I forgot to add a book to. All right, we got that figured out. All right, we have 4 bags full of packages. I feel like Santa Claus with all these bags. I'm about to bring them all to the post office. We even have a wholesale order in that box, but literally so many. It's gonna take a few trips to my car, but that's okay. I'm proud of getting this all done. Definitely took up most of my day. Super good to get done. Now let's head to the post office. So I pulled around back to the back of the post office, which at some locations they have these drop-off bins, and it's the easiest way to just drop off and go at the post office. It's amazing for businesses. But that is going to be it for this first studio vlog. Let me know what you guys thought. It was a little bit different than my other vlogs, so I'm open to your feedback. And thank you so much for everyone who purchased from the sale or just for watching this video and supporting my business. Every little thing you do helps so much. And get excited for a new launch actually coming very soon. All right, I'll see you guys then. Bye.